Hozir narx aytaman, narxga umuman tortishmaydi. Yozib ketinglar, sizlarda ham shunaqami klientlar? Qayerdan kuzatyapsizlar? Mana o'sha uy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, how are you, brother?
Good, thanks. How are you today?
Good. Hikmatullah. Your name?
Venkat.
Venkat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the ones.
Share this.
Yeah.
4 pieces.
Yeah, 4 pieces.
Get you. May I take a video for my social media? No problem.
Social media?
Yes, Instagram.
Like. I don't have Instagram.
No, for you. Just for my followers. Video.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Do it there
Okay.
and here.
260 works for you.
Let's make it 250.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I really appreciate you. You are the one who responded
You're welcome.
immediately. So
Yeah, thank you.
I just want to hire you.
Mana do'stlar, ko'rdinglarmi? $260 dedim, 250 bersam maylimi dedi. Bo'pti desam xursand.
I don't understand that.
No, just my followers.
Ah, okay. When did you come?
I came just 1.5 years ago.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh,
Good?
that's very good. You set up your own business here.
Yes.
In a short time?
Alhamdulillah. Yes.
That's good.
Okay, do'stlar, men ishni boshlayapman. Shunday qotirib bo'lib sizlarga ko'rsataman. Oldin.
Done.
Mana do'stlar, ko'ringlar. Qanday chiroyli chiqdi. Bunaqa breketlari bor ekan, shamolda uchib ketmasligi uchun. Qo'lda ochilib yopilar ekan, do'stlar. Sizlar uchun bittasini ko'rsatib beray. Hozir ozgina shamol bo'lyapti. Shunga uchyapti mana. Ko'ringlar, qo'lda ochilib yopiladi. Xullas, tushundinglar, a?
You use Meta glasses?
Yes, Meta
record
glasses. Yeah, Meta glasses. Okay, you like it, brother?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. Tugadi do'stlar, keyingi ishga ketdim men. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem.
250 da oldik. Thank you. 2 piece.
Okay, thank you very much.
Magnet.
Sure. Okay.
Thank you too. Bye bye. Mana do'stlar, ko'rdinglar, ishni ham tugatib oldim. Bular hindistonlik ekan, o'shanga ozgina tortishdi $10 ga. Lekin amerikanisi bo'lgan tortishmasdi. Hammaga rahmat, sog' bo'linglar do'stlar. Denver Aurorada kim bo'lsa, shunaqa xizmatlar kerak bo'lsa telefon qilinglar.